we talk about Unit 15, Grade 3, the grammar. The grammar today about count nouns and non-count. Count nouns, the nouns we can plural them. Another definition of count nouns which have a singular and a plural nouns. Count nouns, the nouns we can plural them. Another definition of count nouns which have a singular and a plural nouns, such as book, books, door, doors, carrot, carrots, pen, pens. Okay? Count. The nouns we can't plural them. The nouns which only have a singular form. Bread, coffee, sugar, tea, juice, milk, information, energy. Okay, next slide. Using some, any, a lot of, lots of, a few, little, much, many. Number one, some. We use some in positive sentence in count nouns and non-count nouns. I have some books. I have some sugar. Next, any. We use any with the count nouns and non-count nouns, and we use any in the negative and the question sentence. Have you got any books? Have you got any books? Have you got any sugar? No, I haven't got any books. No, I haven't got any sugar. Again, some. We use some in positive sentence, count and non-count, count and non-count nouns, such as I have some books, I have some sugar. I have some books, I have some sugar. Any. We use any with the count nouns and non-count nouns, and we use any in the negative and the question sentence. Negative and question sentence, such as have you got any books? Have you got any books? Have you got any sugar? No, I haven't got any books. No, I haven't got any sugar. Okay, next slide. A lot of and lots of. We use lots of and a lot of with the count nouns and non-count nouns. We use them in positive sentence. I have got a lot of books. A lot of books. I have lots of books. She has got a lot of coffee. They have got lots of sugar. A lot of, lots of in positive sentence. A few, a few. We use a few with the count nouns in positive sentence. I have got a few books. She has got a few pens. A little. We use a little with the non-count nouns. It uses in positive sentence. A little sugar, a little energy. A little sugar, a little energy. Okay? Much and many. Much and many. We use much with the non-count. We use it in negative and the questions. How much sugar do you need? How much energy? Okay. Many. We use many with the count nouns. We use it in negative and question sentence. How many books on the table? How many brothers have you got? Okay. Now we talk about some, any, a lot of, lots of, a few, a little. Some with count noun, non-count nouns, positive sentence. Any count noun, non-count noun, negative sentence and question. Negative sentence and question. Okay? Yes. A lot of, lots of, count noun, non-count noun, positive sentence. A few, count noun, positive sentence. A little, non-count, positive sentence. Again, some, count noun, non-count nouns, positive sentence. Any, count nouns, non-count nouns, negative sentence and questions. A lot of, lots of, count nouns, non-count nouns, positive sentence. A few, count noun, positive sentence. A little, non-count nouns, positive sentence. Okay. Next, many and much. Many, count noun, negative sentence and question. Much, non-count nouns, negative sentence and questions. Okay. Write C for count, N for non-count. Number 1, paper, N, cheese, N, tomato, C, pizza, C, water, N, juice, N, lemon, non-count, honey, non-count, bread, non-count, cookie, count, milk, N, carrot, C, count noun. Next slide. Measure phrases. Measure phrases help you to count things you can't, plural, non-count. Measure phrases help you to count things you can't, plural, them. We know non-count. A bottle of water, a bottle of lemonade, a packet of sugar, a bag of flour, a carton of milk, juice, eggs, a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, a bar of chocolate, a bar of soup, a glass of water, a glass of milk, a glass of cola, a glass of juice. Again, a bottle of water, a bottle of lemonade, a packet of sugar, a bag of flour, a carton of milk, juice, and eggs, a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, a bar of chocolate, a bar of soup, a glass of water, a glass of milk, cola, and juice. Next slide. A can of cola, a can of soup, a bowl of soup, a bowl of rice, a bowl of apples, a box of cereal, a box of chocolate, a box of cookies, a jar of honey, a jar of jam, a kilo of meat, cheese, and potatoes, a slice of tomato, bread, and cheese, a piece of cake, a piece of pizza, a piece of cheese. Again, a can of cola, soup, a bowl of soup, rice and apples, a box of cereal, chocolate and cookies, a jar of honey and jam, a kilo of meat, cheese and potatoes, a slice of tomato, bread and cheese, a piece of cake, pizza and cheese. Next, look and choose the correct words. I bought a space of oranges. Box, kilogram, bag. The right answer, kilogram. Number two, how many space of raisins do we need? How many boxes, jars, bottles? How many boxes of raisins? Next, I can't drink a full space of milk, a full bottle of milk. I have a space of bread. I have a loaf of bread. A loaf of bread. Next, get a space of jam from the refrigerator. The jar of jam. Jar of jam. Okay. This is the grammar unit 15, grade 3. Okay. Good luck and goodbye.